Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. We are not going over VET. We're going to go over XRP. They sound close, not the same. If you guys did not watch the VET video I just got done doing, make sure you guys do watch that. We are getting ready, guys, to set up for long trades on ADA, Ethereum, VET, XRP. A lot of our trades are about to hit their original buy limits, and XRP actually did already hit its first buy limit. So if you guys subscribed over at tradeconfident.io, go to the live trade section at the front of the page, scroll down here to Ripple, click on this right here. It will show you guys all of the access. For those of you guys who have your membership, it will show you guys access to all of the buy limits. Here's a quick overview, and I'm gonna jump into this video. Find the current price at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, or just simply find the current price. Those are gonna update in about 50 minutes. Find the first 4 yellow lines below the current price. There's one very close to the current price right now. You guys could actually market order in right now if you wanted to. Set the rest of your buy limits up. If you have $1,000, $250, $250, $250, $250. That's how we're dollar cost averaging into these trades here. Let's go over XRP, guys. This is a very interesting look that we're seeing here. We did break this ascending support line, and now this is an ascending resistance. We tried to see a little bit of a retest, but we couldn't get all the way up, and we started moving back down. I want you guys to be looking at the price versus the money flow right now, as well as the trend exhaustion. I want to do something for you guys though. Come over here on your price versus money flow. It's in the description. I said this in the last 2 videos. 6 days. It's not 6 days. These indicators go up in 5 days, not 6 days. You guys can get them in the description of this video. Come over here, take off price. Okay, excuse me. Look at this. I want to have you guys just focus with me on the chart here for a second and look at what's happening with the money flow of XRP and how you can use this to benefit yourself. Take a look at structure. Structure right here came into the market. We saw high here, we saw low, and we printed a higher high. This is a higher high formation. Look straight down what happened here with money flow during this time. We saw that while we started to make another peak here, we actually ended up moving out of the market as far as money flow. This cannot be sustainable for a move up. You guys ask me all the time over email. I love this question. Travis, what do you use the price versus the money flow for the most? It is divergence. It shows me when money's moving out of the market while price structure is moving up. This is where the price cannot keep going up. Price is in pink here. So if we take the money flow off and we look at this, we can see that this was the consolidation period that we saw up here. Now putting them together, this shows me price structure as well as money flow, which gives us price versus money flow. When money is flowing out of the market while price structure is moving up, this is a huge sign that the price is going to start moving in a downward fashion. All right, where does it bring us to today? And we're going to go over the metrics. That's what I want to talk to you guys about. Okay. Let me slow down here a little bit. The trend exhaustion. We have not yet pushed down into the bottom red section here, but the whale money flow has come down to a very low point here, right around about 23. Last time we ended up hitting this, guys, we pushed ourselves into the biggest bull market cycle we've seen for the entire year, okay? I do believe VET, XRP, ADA, and ADA, those are going to be very good coins you guys want to be watching because I believe we're going to see some nice moves up here because we've already seen some nice retracements back down. Now, let's go over the metrics here and I'll show you guys what I'm looking at and then we'll end with the trade setup on this. Okay, XRP Emotional Index. This is very, very good for us, guys. We are pushing into neutral and possibly when this metric updates here at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, this will most likely show us that we are pushed down into the anxious section. Okay, when we start seeing this bar push down to the anxious and the fearful section, what do we see happen with the price? We see very nice moves back up in the market. We saw this over here. We did see some nice moves up, a little bit of a correction, and then we moved right back into the bullish market. We take a look at this. We saw price move up right here. This right here was a very slight move up, but a lot of selling pressure into the market. This was during the capitulation stage of Bitcoin. They're not going to be right 100% of the time. You guys just have to understand that. All metrics, all indicators will be wrong at least 20 to 25% of the time. It's just the truth of it. We'd all be billionaires if it worked, okay? I made that joke like almost in every video. Now it's getting old. So long for short trades, okay? Take a look at this. Now, looking at the Bitfinex on-chain metrics of what's happening with long and short trades, not much action is taking place. The last type of really nice action we got in here was short trades increasing, which I believe that's why we ended up seeing this drop in the market right here. Now, if we're looking at the moment, short trades are increasing just a tad bit here, but long trades are moving out. So what I want you guys to watch for over the weekend, because I won't be covering XRP probably until next Wednesday, so this is why you guys want to come over here and set this up, especially for your long trade, is that when you guys see this long trade start moving up and you see short trades either moving sideways or down, this is most likely because the price has been moving down, and we are going to start seeing bullish momentum enter the market to drive the price back up. Very good sign for those of you guys who are in the long trade for XRP. And yes, you guys did get triggered in this morning, but make sure you come over here. I'll just show you real quick. Come over here. You guys are going to see a chart exactly like this. It's going to have the yellow line. The first one's been hit. You guys can market order in right now that put your second buy limit, third buy limit, and fourth buy limit. Obviously, this is Bitcoin I'm showing you, but I want to keep this a little bit more private for our members over here. Come over here to Ripple. The chart looks the exact same, and it shows you the exact entries to take. Okay, do not miss that. All right, let's finish up the metrics here. Moving down here, I want to show you guys this, the Well and Institutional Smart Money. We finally got a metric bar to print on the upside here for long trades. Very, very good sign for this to start moving up soon. Now, is it going to happen now? We're going to keep moving down. I'll cover that at the end of this video, a little bit of targets. But when we start seeing this start printing metric bars to the upside right here, this is very good and it's very bullish in my opinion, because in the past when this has happened, we can clearly see that the price moved up here. It moved up here in the market. We even look in the past over here when we started seeing these higher prices, the higher metric bar prints, we saw a move up in the market there. We saw this happen over here. And we are also seeing it in this, little bit of a dip right here. We saw that move up, and we also saw it in the move up right here. I know this is getting a little kind of crazy in here. My point being is that this shows us what smart money is doing. While a lot of people are in the market and they are very anxious and they're fearful, smart money is coming to buy all of their selling positions because they don't want to lose more money. They're buying them up and driving the price back up. That's what smart money, wells, and institutions do. It's clear. You can't enter billions of dollars worth of money unless you have billions of dollars selling. It's why it's called an exchange. You are selling in exchange for me buying. You're going to sell me your tokens and I'm going to buy them. That's what smart money does. But I've coached hedge funds in the past. You cannot move millions and millions and millions of dollars into the market unless you have someone or a people group, retail traders, selling millions of dollars because they're scared. Guys, it's just simply an emotional-based trading system. We are not charting price. We are charting emotional behavior is what these charts are. This is all human and emotional behavior. It's not charting price. If it was charting price, I could throw a price up here and say, hey, I just charted price. That's not what we're doing. We are charting human behavior on all of these trading view charts. Okay, let's move down here. Support and resistance prices. Where's the place where I'm looking for this to move back down and maybe see a nice little springboard bounce back up? It's going to be right at $1.05 because this is very clear on the chart that this is a support. It also correlates to this past resistance that we had, which was in red. So $1.05, let's take a look at this on the chart for XRP. $1.05 puts us right around here at this bottom support. So it makes sense. The metrics are holding true, guys. Springboard off of this, okay? Those of you guys who ended up getting into your long trade, you got into the long trade right around this area. You guys are currently in the profit. You're doing really good. I do think XRP could head down here a little bit further, so don't freak out if it moves down. What you guys do is you'll have your buy limit set up in here, and I'll go over that in just 1 second, and I'll cover that. Okay, dollar cost average entries. If you guys have been following me on this channel, you guys got into both of these at literally rock bottom prices for XRP, and you guys are riding this up. So congratulations for those of you guys who got in here. You're doing incredibly well. Take a look at this. We have not had any red bars come out yet, so we are still in the clear here as far as, trying to see a huge drop in the market. When we do see these bars here, this is where I do expect to see the price drop back down. That's what we did end up seeing. This happens a lot of the times when we start getting overextended in the market, we start heading back down. Now, when you start seeing the price move up and up and up and up, and we get these ridiculous cycles in here that just don't stop, there's going to be times where they're not as accurate. All of your indicators showed this. All of your indicators did this. All metrics did this as well, okay? It's when you start getting incredibly emotional people into the market is where I actually look to hold off. I'm patient with you guys. We buy the dip and we ride it back up. That's how we did 78% on our last 88 trade for the last portion because we were patient. All right, let's finish this video up with this. Come over here, get your guys' membership. It's $49 a month. Access the live metrics. I want you guys to watch those and then go to the live trades and scroll down here and then click the Ripple right here. You guys are going to see 4 yellow lines. Here's what it's going to look like. You're going to have a yellow line. These are just going to be placed in here at random places. You're going to have 4 yellow lines. This is your first buy limit. Once your second buy limit gets hit, you are not losing at the first buy limit. Your actual break-even entry moves down between your first and your second because we are dollar cost averaging. Only strategy that as the price moves against you, you guys get a more favorable entry. I also have all of the sell limits set up in that chart as well, like I showed you on Bitcoin. So you guys can place those once your first buy limit is hit and get tagged out of the market, okay? Once your, first, second, third gets hit, it's always just going to keep moving down. Your break-even entry is always just going to keep moving down with you. So as price moves down further and it springboards back up, you guys make money faster. All right, I'm going to finish this on the video and then we're going to end this. Where is the likely retracement point for XRP? Well, I'm going to show this to you guys on the chart. I believe it's right around this area, and just coincidentally, I drew it like perfectly here. It's about 9.6, so 0.9.6 cents, 9.6 cents, okay? This is the 50% Fibonacci retracement. This absolutely can come down to 9.6 here for the price. Absolutely. It's technically sound. It is a great place where we can start seeing bounce back up. Okay, let me pull that off and let me show you something else though here. Take a look at this Fibonacci retracement, because I know some people are going to be looking at this. They're going to pull the high here and they're going to pull this as the low of the trend, or even possibly look around this area. So this would give us a right around $1. That is also correlated to the psychological level of whole numbers theory of $1. So if we push down to $1, that could be a place where we see a nice bounce in the market as well. Well, go set up your buy limits and you guys will understand why I set everything where I set them. Make sure you guys are watching those and you're subscribed over there at tradeconfident.io. Okay, so there you guys go. The price versus well money flow, the trend exhaustion, as well as the trend dashboard. All those indicators are available in the description, as well as the first comment of this video. And if you guys would like, if you want to get 4 more indicators, come over here, click this guy right here, bundle and save. I just created this yesterday. It's basically the biggest discount I've ever given on our indicators. You can get all of them if you want to get them on your chart and follow along with me on this analysis, because I won't be coming out with XRP probably till Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. So make sure you guys watch this. You can get into a long trade right now. So get over there, set those buy limits up, and I will see you guys in the next video. I am ready to go on Ethereum. I'm ready to go on 88, and I think we might get triggered in today, tomorrow, or Saturday or Sunday, because we are very close, and we're going to ride this up together, and we're going to make some more profits, just like I've been showing you guys on here, taking withdrawals out of the market. Just made $722 on Ethereum and ADA in the last 2 weeks. So we did really good. I'm going to probably withdraw some of this so I can pay off more of my mortgage, and then take the family out to eat and have some fun, buy our new baby boy, buy him some toys or something. So I really enjoy trading that way. So, all right, guys, that's a full update for you. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Turn the bell notification on so you're updated, and get the membership at tradeconfident.io to follow along. God bless you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alrighty, bye-bye.